The tyranny is spreading. The global elites of the World Economic Forum are now making moves to control the genetic material of every child who is born into the world in future generations. According to the WEF, humanity will be better equipped to deal with the challenges of the future if unborn children undergo gene editing to ensure they are free of diseases and disabilities, including psychological traits which the elites disapprove of. The WEF is laying the groundwork to take over every aspect of our lives. Before we dive in, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and join the People's Voice Locals community for exclusive and uncensored content, and to interact with our awesome community. The link is below this video. Not content with editing the genes of everybody who signed up for an experimental mRNA jab, the global elite are now threatening to edit the genes of our children before they're even born. To perpetrate this crime against humanity, the WEF have been developing artificial wombs, which will be able to develop a fetus outside of a mother's body. It would have been more appropriate if the scientists experimented on bringing a horned goat to life. Growing human babies from scratch in a lab could be possible in just 5 years, thanks to a new breakthrough. Now WEF-funded researchers in Japan are on the cusp of being able to create human eggs and sperm in a lab from scratch, without the need for human sexual reproduction. These lab-grown human eggs and sperm will then develop in an artificial womb. Professor Hayashi, a Japanese scientist at the Kyushu University who has already figured out the process in mice, believes they are just 5 years away from replicating the results in humans and allowing the elite to implement their long-held dreams of playing God with the human race. But there are ethical concerns, as it means women of any age, including prepubescent girls, could give birth. Babies may also be designed to have certain traits using gene editing tools, giving way to the notion of an assumed perfect child. And given who's funding this project, it's worth asking, what do the global elite think the perfect gene-edited human specimen of the future looks like? We've got an answer for you from the horse's mouth on the other side of this quick break, and it's really disturbing.